Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the north-central city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the northwestern city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Norfolk International or over Virginia Wesleyan University, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Virginia Beach, Virginia Wesleyan University, and Norfolk around 4:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include South Norfolk, Bayside, Oceana, Ready Heights, Ward's Corner, Princess Anne Plaza, North Virginia Beach, Oceana Nez, Gallup's Corner, and Willoughby Spit. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.